Hey there, greetings. I'm Marina Ormes, the founder of Astrology Heals at astrologyheals.com. I'm here today with your Astro vibe for Monday, January 30th. And today, in the wee hours, my time, the moon goes into Gemini. So we've had a Taurus moon. We had the moon in Taurus forming its first quarter on Saturday. So I talked about that. If you're wondering what was going on, why things were so crazy over the weekend, check out that Saturday video about the first quarter moon in Taurus. Might give you some insight into the bigger picture. And then today the moon is going into Gemini. So we have that shift into the energy of asking questions, of thinking about things, of engaging with our minds, our thinking, our ideas, our problem solving. And so what are some of your favorite questions? With the Gemini energy, questions are the thing. So not all questions have answers, and all answers start with questions, right? So questions are powerful. Questions themselves are worth giving attention to, and the way you're asking a question, the content of the question, the way you're asking the question, the who you're asking the question or where you're asking the question can all contribute to the kind of answer you get. So what are some of your favorite questions? What are your and here's a fun exercise to do with the moon in Gemini is think of a question, think of something you're curious about or want to know more about, and then ask yourself to change that question. So what would make that question help you to access the information from a little bit of a deeper insight place? What is something more comprehensive or that gets you to ask the question in a different way? So in other words, when we ask a question, we're asking it from our current mindset. So what would it look like to shift your mindset to ask the question differently? And how might that change the answer you get? And asking the question differently could be any of those things. It could be changing the wording of the question, changing the content of the question, changing where or who to whom you are asking the question. It could be why are you asking the question in the first place? What is it you really want to know? Just getting curious about your curiosity, I guess. So thinking about thinking, and as you're thinking about your thinking and about the ways that you are inquiring into things you want to understand better, things you wish you knew more about, answers you wish you had, what would it look like to open yourself, open your mind, open possibility to that answer being different, either different than what you expect or different than where your current thinking might lead you? So some food for thought there. Getting curious about your curiosity and asking the questions in different ways to help to unlock some different thinking, some of your higher level problem solving abilities, some of your solutions oriented mind that you may not have access to because you're thinking a certain way. So that's what I've got for you today. Thinking about thinking, asking questions about our questions, and opening our minds to what would it look like to expand our thinking or open to new possibilities. Great activities for a Gemini moon. Also a good time to write things down, journaling, brainstorming, working on writing projects, working on communication. What are the words that you want? Giving some attention to choosing the right words. All right. Thank you so much for being here. And if you missed it yesterday, I was talking about the bigger question of what is astrology? How does astrology work? And so some deep thoughts there that might help you understand a little bit more about what we're doing here in our Astro Vibes every day, supporting you in your journey, in your process of self-discovery, of awareness, of supporting your wellness and well-being in your whole self, mind, body, spirit, and emotion. So check that out. Yesterday's video. I think you'll find it really interesting. All right. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. And you can learn more about me at astrologyheals.com. See you next time. Bye for now.